What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
Nah.
New shirt?
And one shirt.
And shorts?
Nah.
Okay, thanks. What else is in there?
Dogs.
Ah.
What's in it?
Those.
A birthday card for you.
Those.
What else is inside?
Those.
Dogs. How many dogs?
2.
2? What are those? New paints. New paints. What else?
A book.
Is there a book in there?
A book.
Oh, your little book is right here. You're gonna paint.
Huh?
You're gonna paint right now?
Those.
Okay. Do you want help opening it? What do you say?
Book.
What do you say?
Please.